stretches of the desert, these industrial farms breed thousands of hybrid camels, supplying the global demand for meat and leather. Factory and camel breeding programs optimize genetics for premium factory and camel meat yield and strong factory and camel leather quality. Specialized feeding programs support balanced growth for high-grade camel meat.
Scan complete, looks healthy and meets all criteria.
Noted. We can move to the next enclosure. Dromedary camels are categorized for either camel meat production or camel leather production.
Factory and camel health monitoring ensures stable factory and camel meat quality.
Tighten those harnesses. Make sure the weight is balanced. Now, move out. Keep them moving. Right through the gate. All right, I'm closing it now.
Microchip confirmed. ID checked out.
Excellent. All standards met. Affix the tag.
Camel documentation confirms full production cycle traceability. Getting out. Easy does it. Keep them moving gently toward the gate.
Welcome everyone. Today marks the official launch of our state-of-the-art camel processing facility. Let's begin operations. As you can see, the microbial structure is intact, indicating high water holding capacity.
Grade confirmed.
Celsius.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Camel meat is separated into fresh and frozen categories.
The microbial analysis is complete. And the results confirm safety compliance. Camel meat distribution schedules synchronized with logistics hubs.
Easy on the approach, keep it centered. A little more to the left, then set it down. These labels indicate pallet certification, correct?
Yes, fully certified. We can load the first 20 pallets this afternoon.
Experience the exquisite taste of our premium camel meat, sourced for the discerning palate. Fresh quality delivered right to your door.
We source this camel locally, slow cooking in the tenderloin for 12 hours, and the gold leaf adds that perfect touch. Temperature stable at 3 degrees Celsius. As you can see on the tablet, all standards are met for 42.
Confirmed. I'll apply the certification seal now. Camel meat production integrates sustainability protocols.
Ensure the temperature is set correctly.
Confirmed. Loading the last pallet now. We have a special promotion of the prime cuts today.
That looks excellent. I'll take this large piece here, please.
Certainly, it's very fresh.
Check the seal integrity on this lot. I see a minor wrinkle here. The inline sensors are reading green. Data looks good according to specs. How much for this cut?
$50, the freshest meat today.
I'll take 2 kilos. This is surprisingly tender. The chef really outdid herself.
It's exquisite.
Camel meat export revenues reach millions annually. Camel meat certification enhances global credibility.
Camel meat production remains continuous year-round.
Today we're cooking gourmet camel meat. It's incredibly lean, packed with protein, and sears beautifully.
All right, that's the last of the camel meat. Perfect. Seal it up. Let's get it moving.
Camel meat distribution supports restaurant franchises. Camel meat processing technology evolves annually.
The analytics clearly support the expansion into the new territories.
Excellent work. Let's move forward. Camel meat export quality seals confirm standards.
Camel leather preservation begins immediately after processing.
Camel leather tanning uses regulated chemical processes.
The here is consistent within the premium range, and the grain uniformity is excellent across the hide. Camel leather reinforcement increases durability.
Crafted for those who demand distinction. Camel leather global demand increases annually. Camel leather export markets generate high revenue. The stitching here is immaculate. We've done well. These just arrived. The camel leather is incredibly soft, and the patina develops beautifully over time. Camel leather upholstery supports high-end vehicles. Camel leather sustainability certifications improve reputation.
Camel leather becomes a multi-million-dollar fashion segment.
Camel leather export logistics ensure global delivery. When the past demands everything, choose leather that endures. Unmatched durability wherever you roam. For that volume, we can offer a significant discount. It's the finest camel leather on the market. We are very proud of this leather, and we look forward to this partnership.
The quality is superb. We are pleased to finalize the agreement.
The texture is incredibly supple yet remarkably durable. It's our signature innovation this season.
Exquisite. I'll take this one and the briefcase. Camel leather branding supports global recognition. Camel leather export revenues complement Camel meat profits. Place the briefcases on the top shelf, angled slightly towards the light. Yes, right away. Only the finest desert-raised camels are selected for these premium cuts, madam. They are incredibly tender. The slow-raised camel is proving very popular tonight.
Yes, it is wonderful to see so many people enjoying the new flavors.
Camel leather fashion collaborations increase brand prestige.
As you can see, the demand for camel meat has skyrocketed at this point, particularly in the export market.
Incredible. Camel leather market reports confirm profitability. This is the finest camel leather in the market.
It is beautiful. Thank you.
Welcome to the grand opening. We're so glad you made it.
And the lining is 100% silk. It really is a timeless piece.
Online marketplaces for camel meat are experiencing rapid growth.
Camel leather luxury brands dominate niche segments. Luxury knows no bounds. Discover the world of premium camel products.
Get your prime camel meat here. High quality, very fresh.
Camel leather strengthens fashion industry revenues.
Camel meat, cold chain logistics, maintain global quality. Make sure the Maersk container is fully loaded by 1600 an hour. We need to expedite this shipment. Camel leather remains a durable luxury material. Feel the texture of this one. It is hand-stitched and exceptionally rare.
Oh, it's beautiful. The craftsmanship is superb.
Factory and camel production statistics show sustained industrial growth. Camel leather collections launch annually worldwide.
How much for this cut of camel meat?
That would be $25 right here. Global demand for high-quality camel meat and fine leather continues to grow, reaching markets across the world. Factory and camel meat and factory and camel leather remain key industrial commodities. From the farm through careful processing, the cycle concludes as our premium camel products reach global retail.